Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Kapwing AI tools for video editing. Kapwing isn't just a basic editor, it comes with AI powered tools that save time and make videos look professional. In order to do that, open any of the browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, typed on kapwing.com and enter it here. Once you get into this interface, what you can do is you can simply go to this create new and upload your media. You can also go to this one of the draft. So I'm going to select to this one of the draft here, and once you get into this editing timeline, what you can do is in the left hand side we can find the subtitle. You can click onto the subtitle and you can choose a language. Go to this auto subtitle here, select the language here, translate to the selected language here as well, and select auto subtitle on the bottom. And after that, what you can do is you can also select to this AI voice. On the left hand side you can go to this AI voice and you can start the effect. You can select any of this AI voice from your Kapwing browser. Click onto one of the voice here and it also opens over here. After that, you can select to this audio on the left hand side and you can browse to this Kapwing's song, or you can also select to upload one of the song from your library. And that is it. And after you're done, you can simply export your project. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.